Hello, everybody. I am here today to show you our monthly exclusive, and I'm loving these What's for Dinner collections. Not only do they have a great value, this one you get 6 free meal solution packages, but it's going to save you on time and mental thinking of planning your meals because they do it all for you. Last month I showed you guys the plan printed out, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the plan it comes with is also digital. So I'm going to show you a little bit of that today as well. So what happens, we have a 30-day plan. It has your whole month planned out for you, but you don't have to use it that way. You can use it any way you like. This collection is just under $100 and you get 20 packages. Each package has a serving for 4 or more. Plus you get 4 full size of our spice jars. So we're gonna go through what you get today. Some of them are really exciting because there are gonna be some seasonal items that are not available again in May, and some of them are going to be discontinued. And it's the only way to get them in this collection. So it's another little bonus for you this month. So for our full size, you get our guacamole, you get a 3 onion. We use these in so many different ways. Super versatile. It's not just a 3 onion dip mix. The pesto and the Greek. The cool thing about the recipes in here is that they're not just used for the typical way of using the product. They're used in lots of different ways, and the recipes are super simple. You get 2 of the sweet and sour stir fry. You get 2 of the southern baked. Look at all this stuff. You get 2 of the rotisserie chicken. You get a pulled pork. This one serves 20, so it freezes really well to use for another time. You also get 2 Alfredo, 2 Taco Tuesday. You get 3 of the Enchilada. This is one of our newer products, and it's delicious. 2 of the beef Stroganoff. Now, these are 2 that are seasonal items, so you got to get them while you can. Our Homestyle chicken stew, another seasonal. 2 of the creamy pesto chicken, and these 2 are not available for purchase on their own. They're only available in this collection. And then 2 of our Thai stir fry. I love this one, and it is also on our vault list, so it will be going away as of May 3rd. So take a look at all of these meals that you can make, right? It's a huge value, but what I really find valuable is the planning for you. So they have this What's for Dinner digital plan for you, a PDF, so you can print it off if you want. And what's so great about it is that all of the shopping lists are done for you as well. So you have a month in advance, a little glance here of the recipes that they have for you. And they're done in weeks. And each week there is a grocery list. What's so great about this is you can do this on your phone or print it off, but it will literally name everything you would need. And you can just go through your fridge or your freezer, your pantry, and take off the things you already have. And what's left is your grocery list. And then you'll see that each one has a recipe here. It goes through and tells you how much time. All of our meals are raw ready in 20 minutes or less, unless you're doing it in a slow cook option. It tells you how many it serves and how much per serving. Gives you the ingredients, shows you how to make it a perfectly balanced plate. So sometimes there could be something like the enchiladas. You're going to want to add some vegetables on the side to make sure that it's perfectly balanced. And then there are the instructions on the side. Super easy. Most of them are less than 4 instructions to make your meal. Now you might be thinking, I don't want to print that off. Well, you don't have to. Oops. So we also have the digital version on our phone. Let's see if I can get no glare. And what's so cool about this is that when you have your month here, these are all hyperlinked, even right in the PDF. So say I want to do the Homestyle chicken stew, I can just click on there and I have my recipe right there. And you can scroll through. You can see each one has, this is the week 3 grocery list. Each one has a nice colored picture and all of the steps to make your amazing meals. So stay tuned, and I will be sharing how to make some of these meals during the month of April. Thanks, guys.